What's up guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today on this video we'll be finding the derivative of this function here. So before we start though, you can pause and do this problem, and let's see if you're going to get the same answer as the one that I'm going to get at the end of this video. Now if you're new on this channel, I would like to welcome you, and also I'd like to inform you guys to subscribe to the channel because I've already made lots and lots of videos on this subject, which is mathematics. You can go to the playlist section of this channel and watch those videos that I've already made. Probably when you get there, you will come across videos that you'll be looking for online. So again, when you subscribe guys, I would advise you to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. Again guys, I'm going to do a video on previous question papers, so you wouldn't want that video to pass you guys as I am uploading. Alright guys, let's start to do this problem here. Now this one is straightforward guys. Remember, the numerator is f of x and the denominator is g of x. So if you can able to identify that, you are done. So your f of x here is going to be the numerator, which is going to be log base 4x, and then your denominator is going to be g of x, which is going to be 2e to the power of x. Now we need to find the derivative of these two functions here. So let's find the f of x prime, or the derivative of f of x. Now remember, this is a log, so it's gonna be 1 over x natural log 4. Guys, this derivative, I did explain this type of a derivative on this video. Go and watch the natural logs and standard logs derivatives there in that video there. Okay, right, now let's do g of x. If we differentiate prime or g of x prime, what is gonna be our g of x prime? This one can be a little bit of confusing, but it's basically 2e(x) is the same. So I did explain this on this video here. This one I urge you to go and watch this video because I explain how this came about guys on this video. How is this possible? The one that we just did there. Go and watch that video and come back and finish this one. Alright, now that we have differentiated both g of x and f of x, it's time for us to use the quotient rule formula. So the quotient rule formula is gonna be dy over dx equaling to the derivative of f of x multiplied by g of x minus f of x multiplied by the derivative of g of x. All this divided by g of x squared. Guys, this is the formula for quotient rule. Now again, if you don't understand how it came about or the application, go to this video that's gonna pop up there and watch that video. I do explain how this formula works and the application as well. So now it's time for us to substitute. So dy over dx, so let's substitute. So what is the derivative of f of x? In this case now it's gonna be 1 over x natural log 4 multiplied by g of x. What is g of x? In this case our g of x is gonna be 2e to the power of x. Remember, this is our g of x then, minus, now we need to look for f of x. So when you look on this side, our f of x, it's log base 4x. Right, log base 4x, and then multiply by derivative of g of x. So derivative of g of x is 2 e e to the power of x. So multiply by 2e to the power of x. All this is divided by g of x squared. So what is g of x? G of x is 2e to the power of x now squared. Now it's time for us to rewrite this. Now the only thing that is left for us is to simplify. If we simplify this, this is gonna be like this. This is gonna be 2ex over x natural log 4 minus log base 4. Let me just write it like this: 2 multiplied by e to the power of x multiplied by log base 4x. This is divided by 4 e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x. There we go. Now that's what because we're gonna have 2 here as exponent, so this is gonna give us 4. That is gonna be x multiplied by 2. This is 2x, the exponent. All right, now just create more space here so that you can able to solve this. So dy over dx is equal to, if you can look at the numerator here, we do have a common factor. What is our common factor here? Our common factor is 2 exponent e. It's 2e exponent x. So let's take out the common factor, which is 2 multiplied by exponent x. Now inside here we're going to be left with 1 over x natural log 4 minus log base 4 then x. There we go. Divided by 4, then we have 2e to the power of 2x. Now this here, guys, you can continue and simplify it. Let's continue and simplify it. Okay, over dx here, dy over dx. Look, 2 into 4 is gonna be 2. So here actually we're gonna be only left with the following: 1 over x natural log 4 minus log base 4x divided by, because if we say 2, this is going to be 1 and that is going to be 2. But what about this one here? If we take the base down there, this is going to be 2x minus x, so this is going to be e to the power of x. So this is going to be our final answer. I hope you guys managed to understand this one. It was a bit tricky, but really, to be honest with you, it is not that tricky, guys. It was just a bit challenging, but not that challenging, guys. I hope you managed to understand this one, because I cannot stress enough about that. But anyway, if it so happens that you don't understand, you can always watch the video over and over again until you understand. You can also comment on the comment section if there's something that you would like to ask. But if you did understand the video, do not forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, I can able to alert you. By the way, I did mention that I'm going to do previous question papers, so you have to click on the bell and notification so that you don't miss out on the previous question paper that I'm going to solve on this channel. Anyway, guys, do not forget to share these videos to your friend, and at the end of this video there is a playlist where I compiled, or where I made the videos where I applied the quotient rule to differentiate. So go and watch that video, go and click on that playlist and watch those videos, because I put them in a sequence order for better understanding. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.